Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker. I'm here at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom today, and I'm here to talk about the #1 rated washing machine, front load washing machine, and I think you're really going to like it. And the great thing is it's Labor Day holiday. You can get these sales going on right now. Delivery starts on the 27th or after, but these are available to you. And I just wanted to go over. In this leading consumer magazine, I checked all the ratings, and the first 7 washers in front load, they're all LGs. And I thought that was pretty amazing. That says a lot about the company and their laundry. So really well done, high efficiency, solid, trustable laundry washing machines. I think you really enjoy it. So I'm taking a look at the #1 one today, so you can see all the features that come on these things. And then, if this is not for you, you can decide what features aren't important and save a little money. But the biggest sale is going on right away with the Labor Day sales that have started. So let's go over this real quick. So this is the WM3900. Now this particular one comes in black, but you can also get it in white. We feature the black one. That tends to sell a little better. But so what's so cool about it? Why is it so popular? One, look at the size of that inside there. That's a great family size washer. It's 4.5 cubic foot. I love that it's got the stainless steel drum. I love all the divots that you see in there and the raised parts. That's supposed to keep your fabric from getting torn up. This has got one of the best washing cleanliness ratings of anything that I saw. So it's got this thing called 6 motion washing levels, and really what that does is it just ensures that it's going to get to everything and clean it really well. It cleans it with steam. It cleans it with all the great cycles it's got. It's got the normal kind of control panel, so it's not like running a computer. You actually just turn the dial, find the one you want, and then you'll hit start. So pretty easy to do. But if you want a steam cycle, this has got that as well. All of these cycles right here, they all have steam as part of their washing, which is great. What steam does in a washer is actually penetrates the clothes, and then it kind of loosens the fabric, which pops the stains up. So that's really good. That's something that's going to help you make your clothes cleaner. So the other thing that's unique about this unit is it's got Sanitary Cycle. So we're in the world of COVID right now. This thing kills 99.9% of all the germs that come inside of it, just with the hot water alone, because it can maintain those levels for just long enough to kill any of the germs. It's got an Allergen Cycle. That's really rare. So it kills about 95% of all the allergens that come in on the clothes. So if you suffer from allergies, this is a great one to get. Well, as you know, most of the washers now they can take over an hour to actually clean your laundry. This can take a really heavy load and get it done in 30 minutes. It's got this thing called 360, TurboWash 360. And when you see that, you can kind of see the picture. When all these jets come on, it looks like a star. It's really cool. And what it does is it gets everything done much faster, and it gets you the best washing cycle that I could find any rating for. And that's really rare. Only the LGs have that. So this one's got that as well. Some other things I took note of. It's got a direct drive motor. So when you get a direct drive motor, that means no belts involved. That means no repairs down the road. Because of that, you're going to get a 10-year part warranty on its motor. All of the LGs have that as well. It's also got Wi-Fi capabilities on it. So you can sit back in your couch or from somewhere else and control this thing. You can stop it, you can start it, and you can monitor it. And it also works great if you ever have to have a service call in there. It's going to tell you what to do. It's going to give you tips on how to maintain this thing. So, it's up with all the current technology. It's really, really, really nice. Another thing it's got on there is this ColdWash technology. So I know a lot of things, we grew up saying, put it in cold water, put it in cold water. Well, this one ensures that happens, and it happens the right way. Most of your front loads are like this. All the soaps and detergents are put in separately. So it puts it in at exactly the right time, exactly when it's needed. There's no guesswork. It's not like the old days when we used to just pour everything in top of a washer. Now it puts it in exactly the way the soap and fabric softener manufacturers wanted it to go in. So it all works like a recipe. So this one is done really well. So the things that it got rated really highly from, washing performance is the first thing I told you. Energy efficient. This thing uses very little electricity and it uses very little water. In fact, I looked up, the old washer that we grew up with, those things use about 50 gallons of water every time we did a load. This thing at most does about 13 gallons of water. I mean, it's super, super efficient. Other things, noise. He rated good on noise, which is nice, and it also rated good on vibration, which is a must. Nothing makes a louder noise than a washing machine when it's shaking all over the place. So this one's actually going to keep itself, it's not going to shake itself to death, or your house. You're really going to like this. I recommend it. Now, the great deal, okay, right now these are advertised at $10.79. That's the price of the black one. But guess what? The Labor Day pricing, which you can come in now and take advantage of, $849. Just come see us. And then if you want to get in white, $799. But these are things, even in today's compressed inventory time where manufacturers have a hard time getting things out, Appliance Factory actually has this in stock today. So I would suggest you get by sooner than later and take advantage of this. Thanks.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.